everyone. Today we are going to review new supplements called Moringa Active. But before we start, please do subscribe, like and share this video. Thanks. What is Moringa Actives? Moringa Actives is a modern food supplement that support weight loss. The product is designed for those who want to maintain a healthy weight, reduce hunger and support their metabolism. The main ingredient in Moringa Active's dietary supplements is an extract derived from the leaves of moringa, which acts at multiple levels to support the weight loss process. The plant reduces the buildup of adipose tissue, helps maintain normal blood sugar levels, lowers cholesterol levels, and supports the body's detoxification. So, how to use Moringa Actives? As a dietary supplement, it is recommended to take 2 capsules per day. You should also drink plenty of unrefined carbonated water, and if advanced, the daily dose may be increased. And how do Moringa Actives work? Moringa Active's professional dietary supplements have a positive effect on the patient's body. Numerous results from independent research centers indicate actions such as effective reduction of accumulated adipose tissue, maintains necessary blood sugar levels, normalization of blood pressure, effective reduction of blood cholesterol levels, and recovery of liver function. Thanks to the support of the process of normalizing the patient's blood sugar levels, the drug is distinguished by its ability to effectively reduce appetite, especially during the day and at night with many simultaneous snacks. Supplements for the reduced fat production, which includes both production and storage, combining and preserving the result obtained. As a result, you can confidently speak of a sharp loss of weight. And what are the composition of these Moringa Actives? Moringa Actives contains natural ingredients and numerous extracts. It is based on black pepper and Malabo tamarind. When used together, you can lose weight effectively and, most importantly, consistently. If desired, it can be used for preventive purposes to monitor and normalize your actual body mass index. You may ask, where to buy Moringa Actives? You can only buy Moringa Actives on the official website. I will leave the link below in the description box. So there's also an indications for use. Moringa Actives is an effective dietary supplement recommended for overweight people. If you follow simple recommendations, you will get a positive result as soon as possible. The advantage is that it does not go back to the previous state and preserves the new shape. What is the contraindications? It is important to clearly understand that Moringa Actives contains only natural ingredients and, more importantly, is safe. Therefore, we can talk about the absence of contraindications and restrictions. Follow the instructions on each package to achieve the desired result. Doctor review about Moringa Actives. The presence of specially selected active ingredients in Moringa Actives provides all possible help to normalize blood sugar levels, which automatically leads to a significant reduction in appetite, especially hunger. It is also worth talking about the effective reduction of fat accumulation reduction in lipogenesis. The individual components of the product have a positive effect on the general state of health, including normalizing blood pressure, strengthening immunity. Customer reviews about Moringa Actives. Moringa Actives has been a godsend for me at some point in my life. Numerous attempts to lose weight at the gym have failed. This is mainly because my stomach bloated every time I ate, as if it wasn't for myself. You've resigned, but if your boyfriend meets the conditions, You have to lose weight, otherwise, the relationship will end. What do you think? Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye!